Meet Bill. He works for Big Software Corp. Bill needs a hosting platform that is scalable and cost-efficient for his website and applications. So he starts by looking at shared hosting. Shared hosting is inexpensive, but resources are shared by everyone, and it's not very secure. So he then looks at traditional VPS hosting. He discovers that traditional VPS is more secure and flexible, but growth can be restricted because resources are limited. He then looks at dedicated hosting. He likes that all resources are dedicated to him alone, but entry costs are high, and if he wants redundancy, he needs to double his investment. So Bill wonders, how can I get the server with an entry price of shared hosting, the flexibility of a VPS, and resource guarantee of a dedicated server? Enter the cloud. On the cloud, Bill only pays for the resources that he needs, and they are guaranteed for his use alone. Plus, he can scale up whenever he needs, without the limits of a traditional VPS. And the cloud is self-healing, so in case of hardware failure, his virtual dedicated server simply starts elsewhere on the cloud within seconds. Bill knew that he had found the solution. However, he found the process confusing. How many RAM hours would he need? What is the CPU cycle? How easy is it to manage? And exactly how much is it going to cost him? It's for clients just like Bill that we created the Virtual Dedicated Server, or VDS. The VDS is a unit of cloud resources available at monthly packages, so Bill knows exactly how much it will cost him. Bill can also use the VI custom template function to create an image of his company application to quickly deploy when needed, saving more time and money for his company. And it is all backed up by vital support, so Bill will get unlimited technical support and peace of mind that all his problems will be solved. In fact, Bill's boss was so happy with the result, he gave him a huge bonus. Later, he married a supermodel and lived happily ever after. True story? The VI Cloud made Bill's dreams come true. What can virtual internet do for you?